Yo guys, Hans here and welcome to Unbox It, where we just unbox it. So what do we have here for today, Mark? So what do we have here? Okay, so we have a gaming headset from MSI. So this was sent to me months ago. So sorry MSI, just had the time to unbox it. So welcome to Unbox It. Okay. So let's take a look at the box, guys. Since this is Unbox It, we have to take a look at the box so we can unbox it, okay? So this is a gaming headset from MSI and it's so hot in here. So here is the box here, guys. You can see True Gaming. Is there a false gaming, Mark? Okay, so we just have True Gaming here, okay? So the box says here MSI Gaming Headset. We have a picture here of the item and we have top class 53mm driver. Is that fast? Okay, so we have special trimming acoustic, easy control of volume, microphone on and off switch, and a plug and play 3.5mm jack. So, are you excited? Are you excited? Let's unbox it. Okay. So out of the box, guys, we have the gaming headset. Alright guys, so nice packaging. It's a simple packaging. Oh, the wire here, guys, is thick. See? So that's going to last. It's thick, guys. We have... So how long is this? Let's just check how long this is. So we have like 1 and 2 meters. So we have 2 meters cable, guys. That's nice. Okay, so let's take a look at the material here. So we have foam paddings on the top. We have ear cups here, guys. It's padded. And we have our movable microphone here. So we can put it on any angle. Okay. So we have the MSI Dragon logo here, guys. As you can see there. It's nice. And we have our thick wire here. And also on the right ear cup. And we have this. As you can see, guys, this is a large ear cup, so your ears are going to stay inside. Okay, so depending how large your ears are, if you have like an elephant sized ears, then I'm sorry. Okay, so let's test this. Let's test the comfort. Woo, nice. It's not too heavy, guys. It's not, but I can feel the weight of the cable. And we also have like volumes control here on the control. And we have like on and off for the microphone here. And we have the split microphone and earphones. So if you have a laptop that has a combo jack, you need an adapter, right? So if you're going to use this on your PC, don't worry about that. Alright guys, so let's do some testing on this product. So right now I'm playing my favorite game, which is Devil May Cry. So yes, I'm old and you may not know this game, but go search Google, okay? Alright guys, so let's see how it sounds. So right now, I cannot hear you because it's so loud. Okay, so that's the loudness of it. So let me just focus for a minute, okay? I'm just going to play a game so I can experience the headphones or the headset. Right now, I can't hear a thing. Okay guys, the details and clarity. Oh, I have an enemy. Hold on. Okay. There's a lot of enemies. Okay, so anyway, the clarity and the loudness is very loud. As you can hear me, I guess I'm screaming right now. And yeah, the weight, I love the weight because it's not too heavy. It's just this wire. I can feel the wire. And hold on, there's an enemy again. Okay, so here is what I'm hearing right now. Wow, I'm too loud. So let me just do something here. So that's the gun. That's my. Let me change to my sword. This is my sword. Okay. Okay. So right now, that's the actual sound of it. So very detailed, clear. And once you're wearing this, guys, you can't hear a thing. And the good thing about this, guys, is there is a volume control. So if you are using this on a PC and you don't have like media controls, you can just do that. And the volume is now low. So now I'm like on the medium part now. Overall, I like the sound of it. It's not too bassy. You know, if you're watching my videos, I hate bassy sound. Too much bass is just like muffled sound. Now, with this, guys, I can hear the footsteps. And I got an enemy again. I can hear the footsteps. I can hear my enemy, the screaming. Okay, now there is a music here. Let me just turn the volume up. Don't die on me, okay? If you can hear that, that's the music. If you wanna, let me just, game. Alright now guys, this is directly plugged into the camera that we're using right now. And this is the quality of the microphone. If I'm too loud, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to just angle it a bit like that. And if you see any difference, if you can hear any difference, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what the clarity of the microphone is. So that's it. So one thing about this microphone is it's not, you know, you cannot hide it. It's always there, and you can actually see the microphone if it's on an angle like that. So you can just put it down like that, and it's gone now. So this is the quality of the microphone. If you have any comments on the microphone, let me know down in the comments. All right, you know, commenting is good. Okay, you know, let me know down in the comments. All right, you just have to type, use your keyboard. Come on, okay, give me a like. Alright guys, so that's it for this MSI Gaming Headset. So I like the sound quality, it's very clear, it's loud, and the paddings are great, and of course the weight is not too heavy guys. The overall material and build, it's durable, but the wire guys, it's very thick and it caused something like a issue for the weight of the headphone. So it's light here, but if the wire is like dangling all over the place, it's going to be like a little bit heavy on this side. So that's one comment. And but overall it's a good gaming headset. I like it, and it has 2-meter cable. It's nice. The cable is very durable. So anyway guys, if you're interested in getting this product, check the link in the description box. And again, for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.